Hey, it's Dwight Jr. here with Cliff's Construction. Right now I'm about to give you a tip. If you're having a garage built here in Indianapolis, make sure whoever's doing your build, make sure this is a thing that will get your project rejected by the city, and ultimately you may have to have your garage rebuilt or a portion of it rebuilt because it got built wrong. So let me go ahead and turn this camera around and show you what I'm talking about. Your garage door header should extend the full length of the garage from this end here to the other end. That is garage code here in Marion County, and it really is just really good building practice anyway. This makes your garage more stable. And see the difference in something like this here, extending the full length. That's not typically what you would do for a door header. What you typically do is just run the length of the door. So this is a standard door here, standard man door, and you see how it lands there for just the length of the garage. And you see our header here extends outside the garage. And what a garage door header is it carries the load from the roof down to the, around your opening. It carries the load from the roof, down and around an opening. So like a door, a window, or even a garage door. And so, yeah, that's just good building practice. And really, if you pull a permit for a garage here in Indianapolis and you don't do this, like I said earlier, they will make you rebuild that opening. And sometimes that requires rebuilding a section of the whole garage. And so they can get expensive. So again, you already know I'm going to hit you with it. If you're here in Indianapolis and you need a garage built, please go to www.cliffsconstruction.com. Go to the get a quote form, get that form filled out, and somebody will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Peace.